Hey everyone, I want to show you how to use Discord Bot Maker mods, and in this case the store JSON from WebAPI mod, where you can store some stuff like we do with version on Discord Bot Maker server, Discord Bot Maker mod server. So it takes time, and then you will get the latest version, including this download link and with description and everything. So first of all, how do we do this? You need Discord Bot Maker mods. So I will do that from scratch with you today. So we will use a new command called version, and do new action called JSON things, and store JSON from WebAPI. Now you will be asked to use the WebAPI URL. You can use nearly every JSON HPI. In this case, I will use this HPI from GitHub. But there are also other JSON HPIs like listed in this HPI list, for example. Yeah, I made another tutorial how to use this for GitHub, for YouTube search and everything, so you can use many HPIs. Back to this. JSON is a format where you can store multiple stuff and simply ask for them or request them. To use something from that, you need to copy this URL, go back and paste here into your URL stuff. You don't need a token because you can see I can request it directly. So this can you leave blank, and now the JSON path. So if I now use this and use send message, or well, I didn't define the variable, forget it. So if I want this simply, and I will open the okay, go back to my test server, and write version. You see that I will get object.object. So it doesn't work like this, because you now stored nearly everything here, and you need to, if you want something like, in this case we want the version name, this one, and the tag name, so the number of the version. So I simply copy and paste this and put that on JSON Pathfinder if you don't want to learn how that works, and simply paste everything here, and you see you now have a very nice overview about all the stuff. And see, here's the name. Simply clicking on it, there's x.name. You don't have to use the name, but that's all. You now can use add this stuff and insert the name here. You may think, well, it was easy, I could read it here too, but sometimes if you want to use something like the login, so the author who created this, you see you need some more stuff, and this can get complicated. So now I simply already put the JSON path here in here, wait until it started again, write version, and there's the rename. So that's all. You can do this with everything here too. Yeah, that's all really. Everything what you could do now too is about well, requesting. Do we have another HPI? Like here we have the mods HPI. This one. So I'll put it again here in here. Clone that info. You place this here, and I want the developers. No, I want the Discord inf. So I type down Discord inf. Do this. I'll have to change the location with ES2. Go back here. ES2. And type version, and now you see there's the invite link. You see everything is getting logged in here. You can see the name and where it starts to. For some more complex stuff like the YouTube HPI, I made a separated video tutorial how to use them, because it's not that easy. You need a key. Yeah. In the future we will change some more stuff in here, so don't be afraid if if you can't see anything of this back in your action. That's all. It is very easy. You only have to know how to use the stuff and how to request stuff here. But many users ask for that, and yeah. If you get an error like node module is not missing node module like request or whatever, simply go to your bots folder. Wait, project error. I can stop it. Project, open project directory. Go here. Type cmd. Type npm I, and if it doesn't work, type npm I whatever is missing, like request or wallet or URL. I think that's the most missing thing. URL minus minus save, and that's all. If you now do that, it will download the correct node module. In this case, it's not required because it's not here. Well, you need to request it, of course. So yeah. Otherwise, use request and it will download this. I think it just removed it because I just said it should reinstall it. Yeah, that's all. If you have questions, please ask in the mods Discord server or on the water server. Do not ask here because this is only for official stuff. And yeah, Discord mods are allowed because yeah, I'm Discord mod here, but please do not advertise too much stuff here, because I don't want that materials or Turismo say, he advertised everything. So yeah, that's all. Please ask here on the support channel or here on the Watertouch channel. You can also request stuff here, and yeah, that's all. Bye.